So today I'll be filming a makeup tutorial. I really don't know what. I know for sure I kind of want like half eyebrows to kind of like match with my hair. That's all I'll do. I'm probably be doing like a black smoky eye. I mean, I feel like that would probably suit the brows most because it's not too complicated of an eye look, and it's just, you know, it'll probably let the brows stand out more than the eyes. So even though it's me black smoky eye, but whatever. So I already did my foundation. I added eye primer already. I did like pretty much everything: foundation, powder, all my bases, my skincare and stuff. So I did all that already before the video started. I know I look like a mess. I'll probably straighten my hair and done my makeup and then change out of this t-shirt. This t-shirt's so cute though. It's just really cool. I like it. I'm gonna contour my nose first. I'm using this Wet n Wild Walking on Eggshells eyeshadow palette, this little tiny one. And I'm be diving into the top shade, which is like a really light brown. I think it's perfect for nose contour. Okay, so first for the eyes, I'm diving into the KVD Vegan Beauty Shade Light Eyeshadow Quad in Smoke. We're gonna be starting off from light to dark as always. But yeah, so we're gonna be diving into the white shade. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the white eyeshadow and sweeping it all across my eyelids to give my eye a base. Okay, so next we're going to be diving into the gray shade of the palette. I'm going to be sweeping this along the crease of my eyes and blending it out. Into the black in the palette, and I'm adding it onto all over my eyelid and smoking it all out onto the gray. The KVD Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Liner onto the lid and smoke it out. I think this will add like a nicer, darker look to it. I really want my eyeshadow to be like matte, like black, like really black, so this is the perfect product. Yeah. Same color combo underneath the eye and smoking all out, of course. I want this to be a really dark smoky eye. So I thought I'd film this, but I'm using the KVD Anti-Precision Liner, and I'm using it to water my eye, and I'm using it to water my I'm using it to line my waterlines. As you can see, I already did this eye, but I'm also gonna smudge it down into the eyeshadow as well. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette, and we're diving into the shade Liddy. This is the one of the pressed glitter shades, and I'm gonna press it onto my eyeshadow on my eyelid. I feel like it's gonna give it a nice pop and make it look really fiery against the black. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm using the Eyebrow palette again, and we're going to be diving into the shade Barb and applying it onto the inner corners of my eyelids. Okay, so next is the fun part. I'm going to be using this KVD Vegan Beauty pomade in the shade Scarlet, and I'm going to be filling in the front of my eyebrows so it matches my hair, and then of course I'll use a darker eyeshadow powder after this. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in Granite, and I'm doing my brows, brushing my brows in that shade. Okay, so next I contour my face using the Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette. I contour my face how I usually do, cheekbones, my jaw. That's about it actually. Adding some blush, I'm using this Tokidoki Till Death Do Us Part little palette, and I'll be diving into a blush. This is my favorite blush, and if you guys have been watching me recently, you guys know I've been using this for like almost every single look, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding some lashes to this look, and I'm going to be using the lashes in style Weirdo from Shop Mimi Artistry. I have their link down below in the description box, and also I do have a discount code with them as well. I think it is Denise5, I believe, but the discount code and a link to shop is down below in the description box. I'll be applying these off camera. Okay, so next I'm going to be lining my lips using this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Lava. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Hudson. Okay, so I'm probably gonna change my shirt, straighten my hair, and add some accessories, and I'll be right back to you guys. Okay, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do try it out, make sure you do tag me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. I'll have my social media links displayed on the screen and down below in the description box as well. I really dig this actually. It does look a little weird like looking at the viewfinder, but I don't know, but like when I look in the mirror I actually really like it. I really like the two-colored eyebrow. It looks pretty cool. Something you'll see every day. I could have sworn I saw someone on Instagram that I followed did it, and I'm not sure. I usually get people mixed up, but I looked on the person I thought who did it. I looked at who I thought did the eyebrow. Like they did like a similar eyebrow like this. I was gonna see who it was. So I can tag them or mention them at least in the video, but I couldn't find them. I don't remember, but I don't know. Maybe she deleted it because I don't know. She deletes posts very often. Some people do that, but I don't know unless maybe I just got the person mixed up. I really like how it matches my hair. It looks really cool. And I'm thinking like this whole like I don't know. I just decided to put on some dark clothing and my choker and some bafflement earrings. I think it looks super cute. I think it goes with the vibe. And I have this like little ear cuff. I got it like back when I was in high school, and I kind of like it. Like I actually really dig it. Look at that. It's cute. I mean, I don't know if I'll ever get piercings up here. I don't know, but I would like to have more piercings on my ears, or even like on my face. I really want like right here, but I don't know if I would get them. So, especially for the ear, we'll just do like a little cuff for now. Thinking of like gluing like rhinestones right here, like a rhinestone, just to like make it look like I have a piercing or something. Not for this look, but like in like other like future looks or just like everyday random looks I do, but not for videos, you know. I just want the piercings, but I don't know if I want them. Like what if like I don't want them after a while, or I don't know, just sort of like the scars they leave. So it's like I don't know. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content. Also make sure you guys do stick around for my Halloween content. I already started filming some, so I am super excited. Of course I'm really getting excited for Halloween. This is why I've been doing more darker looks, just so I kind of go with like the, you know, just like the fall vibe, or like, I don't know. I feel like fall and like winter are like really dark moods, so it's like I have to, like, you know, I'm getting ready for it, so I'm excited. But I cannot wait to show you guys all the stuff I have in mind. I already did film one video so far. So I am super excited, and I'm already started making like little props or like little accessories for some videos I'm filming for Halloween. So I'm pretty excited. But if you guys do not feel like waiting for my new Halloween content, then check out my Halloween content from the years previous. Especially from last year, I did like a really cool ring video, I did a Carrie video, I did the Exorcist. Those are 3 I did really. I think I did a witch too, a green witch. But the main ones were the 3 that I have planned those all the time. The witch was like a spontaneous video. I was like, oh, let me just paint myself green and I'll be a witch. So that was like really random, but I really liked it. They really did come together really well. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and staying safe. Bye guys!